All right, so question 3 on chapter 6. A satellite having orbital speed v orbits a planet of mass m. If the planet had half as much mass, the orbital speed of the satellite would be. All right, so again, we have to consider centripetal equation. So just to kind of expedite it, I already did this questions. So we're just gonna solve for the velocity of the centripetal force, which is gonna be just v equals. So hold on. So our centripetal force is gonna be mass square over r. Then so basically we're just gonna solve for the velocity. So this comes out to be, when you rearrange this equation, you're gonna get v equals square root of gram mass over r. But it's saying that it has if the planet had half as much mass, so we have to take that in consideration. So our velocity will be square root of gravity mass over second, or 2r. So v equals velocity over square root of 2. So that is the equation. That's our answer to this problem. So it belongs to